Is this the world's easiest cheesecake? Watch on to find out. Before you go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I'm a food scientist from Australia, and I teach food lovers how to cook without recipes so they enjoy eating healthier with ease and also feel good in their clothes. One of the things, apart from the simplicity, that makes my recipes unique is I always include a list of variations for different dietary requirements or if you're missing ingredients. So with this cheesecake, if you wanted a dairy-free option, you could just, instead of the ricotta, use any of the dairy-free yogurts. So it's really great with coconut yogurt or almond yogurt. Only vanilla soy yogurt would be work really well here. If you didn't have ricotta, I've done it with cottage cheese. It's a bit different texture, but still really good. Or Greek yogurt works really well. In terms of the fruit and nut combo, I love the apricot jam with the almonds. It's not really nostalgic for me because my pop used to grow apricots and my mum used to make jam from them. But any jam will work well. So it could be like blackberry and hazelnut or strawberry and macadamia. Or it doesn't have to be jam. It could be something like this maple syrup with some pecans or honey and almond. So many options. So I hope you enjoy this little cheats cheesecake, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.